What up? Finally, dude. Sorry. You guys are all absolute out. No, I know. It was expensive product this year. Well, what isn't expensive? Besides Flawless. Flawless is expensive, but not how much I thought it was going to be. I might have a box of that going up on eBay. Flawless Collegiate. We'll see. Because that stuff's not cheap, but I do have a couple coming. Just because I got them at a good price, and I'm going to resell them, of course, but I might keep one and do an eBay break. Haven't done one of those in a while. Everyone wants kabooms. I know, guys. We'll see. Hope I can pull one. That'd be sweet. How about that OBJ debut last night? I forgot my Hi Jimmy sign. I must have lost it, Jim. This is coming in your package. That is going out tomorrow or the next day, Jim. So, you better take care of OBJ. I love on the second pass he just stopped running. You think it'll come? Oh, it'll come off. I don't know. I think Jim will put it with his collectibles. Yeah, the second pass, dude, he stopped running. I mean, I don't know why Stafford threw it, because there was 3 49ers down there, but it was great. Hey, but if I'm giving shit away, people are commenting left and right. That's how it is, guys. We know how it is. I had 32 comments in 12 minutes when you give something away. It's all good. The only important people are here. That's all that matters, right? I appreciate the fill. I appreciate getting those minis. I know the bigger teams. It kind of sucks that we need these QBs to step up. So it's kind of been a rough going for those QBs. Except for Mac Jones. Who? Yes, Mac Jones. That the Browns made him look like Tom Brady. So. What up, Ed? What's going on, brother? But you'll have that. We'll see what happens against Detroit. Hopefully we don't tie them. Like some people. Not mentioning any names. You know who you are. This might be the running back, and this is going on eBay. Najee Harris, Wild Card Illumination. I decided to open the box, and of course, he was in it. 4 out of 10, though, so we'll see what I can get for this dude. It's a pretty nice card. I hope they release the product, because it's sweet. At least it wasn't Pat Freiermuth. Canada in the house. Good night. Alright, guys, let's put up our list. Some nice mini hits with some teams. Alright. 101 is at, hold on, scrolling by. I think it's like, I'm not even going to guess at this point. 2 something. Past 250, less than 300. 262. Alright, only a few are not in. If you got a 101, you're in. Go over teams. Cardinals, Jeremy Smith. Falcons to Keith. Ravens going to Jeremy. Bills going to Daryl. Panthers going to Jim. Paul got his Bears. Bengals, Jeremy. Brownies going to Rob. Cowboys, Brian. Broncos, Jeff. And Lions, that's Jeff Jones. We got a couple Jeffs in this. Packers going to Daryl. Texans to Scott. Dude, I'm sending Jimmy after you. Payment is due. Colts, Mitch. Jaguars, Jeff, Folk. Chiefs going to Mike. Joe Gorman with those Raiders. Chargers going to Daryl. Jimmy with his Rams. Dude, Cooper Kupp still balled out. It's just San Francisco put their foot to the pedal and didn't let up, dude. I'm telling you, it's the OBJ effect. You'll see. I hope I'm wrong, but we'll see. Dolphins, Mike. Vikings going to Matt. Patriots to Jeremy. Saints to Tana. Giants going to Mark Thomas. Jets, Kevin Molnar Jr. and the Eagles. Nice little mini hit. Steelers, Jeff Trojan, of course. 49ers going to Jeff Jones. Nice mini hit. Seahawks to Brando. Welcome back, sir. Buccaneers, Ed. Titans to Brando. And the WFT to Mr. Folk. Dude, I lost. Oh, Rob, you know, I sent you the picture. I lost by like 0.38. It was unreal. And I would have moved into like second place. Now I'm back, still tied at fourth. So I don't know if I'm even going to make the playoffs. That was crazy. Dude, Deebo Samuel. There he is. Mr. Wolf is in the house. Deebo was killing it, wasn't he? He looked good. And their running back, the rookie, he looked pretty good too. Hold on. I seem to misplace my knife. I need to have a permanent break knife. Maybe I'll get some of those break cutters made. Give them to you guys for Christmas presents. How's that sound? Anybody, Mitch, you know where you get those made? Anybody know? Rob, you probably know somebody that knows. You know those custom cutters? Get a couple, like, dozen of those made and put them in the packages next break. I can't believe I don't have scissors. Unbelievable. Oh, there they are. Right in front of my face. But they're not custom made in Oriental Trading, are they? The knife company? Alright, 3 mini boxes. Oh no, Dos, Strays! Baker, scoot over. You disappoint me, sir. I mean, how mad can we be, Rob? And Jeff, Folk, fellow Browns fans. Dude's playing hurt as hell. I don't know what was up with that line. I know what was up. The Patriots are coming after his ass. Oh, okay, I'll check it out. Just use the Sharpie. I'll just take these stickers. I made too many of them. I need them a little smaller, so I'll just buy generic and put those on there. Look real professional. All right, guys, good luck. I think that's the good one. We'll see. Dude, Mike, you see how many Cavs are hurt now? I'm just like, what's going on, dude? Like, what happened? Bring back Hoyer. Cavs are playing good, and the next thing you know, everyone's hurt. Kevin Love, that dude just sitting collecting $30 million a year from the Cavs. Whoops. Fumble, fumble it. Don't worry, it's just cases. But yeah, Kevin Love, that guy, I think he's making close to $30 million this year. Unreal. All right, let's freaking go. Then it's time for bed. Colt McCoy or Baker. We'll do a shot every time there's a Baker commercial. All right, you guys battle it out. I'll read comments later. It's hard to keep up with you fools. All right, good luck, everybody. We're going back to some baseball after this. It's been a minute. We had basketball and plenty of football. So now I got some baseball coming up. Starting us off, Cam Newton. Good old Cam. He killed it for the Panthers, didn't he? That's going to the Patriots, though. Mr. Newton. Mitch, that's one of the boxes I have to break. If it, no, I think that's not going to be here till, I think 2 more days. I have some other stuff, and then is that a card? Yeah, it's a card. All right, ready? Here we go. Cammy Cam. Dude, I didn't even touch that card. And look at the... So, we get a fingerprint from Panini. I didn't even touch that. Maybe it's Emily from Panini. That's Jimmy's favorite person. Burn Newton. I have to check that out, Mitch. I was trying to get home from work and shit. Patrick Peterson going to the Vikings. That is Mr. Matt. Fingerprint route. Alright, numbered. Going to the Ravens. Brandon Stevens. Going to be 42 out of 100. Baltimore. Jeremy. 42 out of 100. Camden DNA card. Oh, I'd stay away from that one. Come on, let's get a banger in this box. Brandon Stevens. Who? I'm not sure. Well, I might have showed you a peek. Going to Air Raid, Aaron Rodgers. Going to the Packers. That is a pretty cool card. Green Bay, Darnold. Surprised not numbered or anything. But it does look like he's about to... Oh, it is. I just got to look a little bit harder. 73 out of 199. Let's go, Brandon. Darnold. Here you go, sir. Sweet looking card. All right. I think Going to... What in the hell is that? Well, Ed... Dude. Ed Sams. I know it's not... That has to be one of the worst autos I've ever freaking seen. No? What? That's such bullshit. And it's a sticker. So, dude, like, mate, Joe, trying. You can try a little freaking harder next time, dickhead. Oops, sorry. It's a PG room. Well, most of the time it is. Unless we start talking about the Steelers. So, Ed, you got an auto. 164 out of 199. Is it like that Jordan patch with North Carolina? I think you post, like... Didn't Jordan have something like... But no, I only think like one of them was autoed or something. I don't know. But yeah, maybe. Ed's like, I'll take it. Hell yeah. Alright, there you go, sir. So that's box one. Hopefully it gets better. Or at least a full auto, right? There he is! There he is, Jimmy. Matty Ice, OBJ's new quarterback. Odell's dad is looking for him as we speak. Did you see that meme I posted last night? Empty box. It was Odell standing behind him and he said, "Hey bro, my dad wants to talk to you," or "My dad's watching." That shit was funny. Alright. Oh my god, dude. People hate me. Even though it's the base cards. The Rams, that's Jimmy, so he's coming to you, buddy. Along with his reverse head receiver. Hey, how you doing? Throw me the ball. I ain't throwing you the ball. Alright. I've had a long day. Ew, gross, yuck. What's up, Vinny? You see that shit, dog? It's horrible, man. Horrible. That's gotta be the worst. Gotta be. Jeff Trojan, got your damn Big Ben. Is he gonna play Sunday? Is he gonna be out of COVID protocol? I just reversed the head. It's still there, but it's got his Rams jersey. I just turned him that way. He's going in Jimmy's package when I ship out in a couple days. Burn that with Newton. Alright, we got a kid reporter. Well, well, well. Mr. Jimmy. How about a one-of-one Christian McCaffrey? Boom, baby. Red zone 1-of-1. Nice. I was not expecting that to be in the back. That calls 1-of-1, baby. The pot's not that big, but hey, doesn't matter. Money's money. Jim Jennings. You took Carolina, right? He did. Let's see. I know I got one in here somewhere. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Nice. Hells yeah. Sweet. And it's one of your favorite players, so that's awesome. Mitch is like, you're not getting my dollar, mother effer. I saw it, I'm like, oh, that's flashy. And then I saw the little 101. Couldn't have gone to a nicer guy. Congratulations, Jim. Let's get that boy's protected. Snap, crackle, pop. Red zone. Christian McCaffrey. 1 of 1, boys. Nice hit. That's sweet. That makes up for that shitty auto. Right? Cool. Alright. Well, a little extra cash for you, Jimmy. Extra stunning? Is that a new thing? Alright, let's see. See what the hits are. Here we go. Well, look at that, dude. I was pulling you Chubba Hubbards. It's Chuba, but Chubbs in this room. That's nice. A little Jalen Waddle, 29 out of 250. Going to Miami. Corner's a little soft. That's been the thing with Absolute, I've noticed. That was a mini hit. Mr. Truman. Nice little Waddle. Waddle. It's a fun break. Anytime you pull a 101. And a little pot, little extra cash. 262 going to Mr. Jim Jennings. Nice Waddle. Screwed over Aaron. Alright, let's see what's the auto. Should be the auto, right? Soft just like Miami. Hey, I pulled plenty of cards for Mr. Jimmy. Going to... What is up with these autos, bro? Going to the Bills. Darryl Greg Rousset, 69 out of 199. These dudes just must have took the day off and said, here's my shitty auto. I hope the last box auto is good. I mean, I know we pulled a 101, but come on. Why can't it be 3 McCaffrey 101s like the last box? Is it really? Oh, wait! Yeah, Jim, you didn't. You didn't. That's right. Man, you're an honest dude, because I was, I just figured you did. Well, there's a first time for everything, boys. That's the first time that's happened, I think. Or I think that might have happened to Mike, but it was like the next pot. But Jimmy will take the 101 McCaffrey. Alright, so the pot is still active. Man, you could have rolled with that, Jim. I would have never caught on. Somebody else might have caught on, but I wouldn't have. Alright. Well, still a nice card, especially that's your PC. So, hey. Justin Tucker on top. That effer. Empty box. No. Mitch, you did not. Alright, guys. Last box, mini box. Good luck. Going to the Ravens. Dude hit the, what, 66-yard field goal? That was nuts. Baltimore. Jeremy. Ah! Don't show it. Next card, another Aaron Rodgers. This is the base. So Daryl, couple A Rodgers in this break. Going to Atlanta, a little Kyle Pitts. It's going to be 8 out of 75. Little ding there, Keith, just showing you. I've noticed that out of the 2 boxes I opened, Absolute has been ding central. Nice little Kyle Pitts there. 8 out of 75. Nice hit for sure. For Shizor. I kind of want to like cover up those autos because they're so horrible. All right, 2 left. I don't know what's what. So we're going to go this route. All right, this is the patch. Going to Groundhogs. Alvin Kamara, 24 out of 99. Going to those Saints and Tana. Tana came up and snatched him up. 24 out of 99, sir. Little Alvin Kamara. It's a little thicker. Oh shit! Jersey number? I didn't even notice. That's nice. Good call. Alright, let me find a 108. 108. Where you at? They're over here somewhere. Okay. There we go. A little white napkin for you. Alright, last auto, boys. Please at least be a decent signature, right? Going to those Seahawks. Dwayne Eskridge. Brando coming back in the breaks. Getting a hit. 133 out of 399. Little Dwayne Eskridge. There you go, sir. Nice hit. Alright, so no big rookies. But some nice cards. Some bad autos. It seems like it's an everyday struggle at Panini at times. Alright, let's do a recap. We still hit that, or we pulled that 101. The pot's still active though, but it's still a sweet card. Especially Jimmy's PC, so that's what I'm talking about. Alright, here we go. Brandon Stevens for Baltimore, 42 out of 100. We had Alvin Kamara, 24 out of 99 on the white napkin. Groundhogs. Air Raid, that's a sweet card. This is 73 out of 199. 199. Going to the Packers. Little Jalen Waddle, 29 out of 250, rookie. Kyle Pitts, jersey number, 08 out of 75 for those Falcons. Greg Rousset, 69 out of 199. And the worst auto ever, Joe Tryon. Needs to try a little damn harder. It looks like he just went across. He had a paper of stickers and just went like this. Doesn't it? Because, like, it definitely didn't end there. So that's horrible. Dude. But Ed, PC hit. This was a PC kind of break for everybody. 164 out of 199. Eskridge. Nice hit. 2 jerseys, a little football. 133 out of 399. And the 101 red zone. Mr. McCaffrey. Going to those Panthers. Nice hit, Jimmy. Even if you didn't get the pot. Still a sweet hit. Alright, boys. I appreciate it. It's kind of worth the wait. The 101 makes it fun. And the pot still stays alive, so. And OBJ's head spins very freely. I don't know if I want to. Oh, it popped off. Throw me the ball! Throw me the ball! Don't worry, Jim. It goes right back on. I'm having too much fun with this. Alright, guys. Alright. That was a cool break, though. That was fun. 101 always makes it fun. Here comes some fake. Hey, I'm going to have too much fun with this. Ready? Get out of here, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, language. Sorry. Go! Okay, I'm done. Alright, boys. I didn't get to bed, like I said. Long day. Post office killing me, man. This new building is supposed to process mail a lot faster. We'll find out in a couple weeks. Alright, guys. Big shipping's going out next, maybe, if not tomorrow, it'll go out the next day. So if you got something coming, I could bind a few breaks just because I'm trying to not ship as much, with the holidays. So everything will be going out in the next couple days. And that's it. Alright. Baseball next. Chronicles. That's going up first. Chronicles. Stuff sweet. Anything Chronicles is sweet, even if it's not licensed. That'll be pick your team. The 101 pot will still be in effect. So that, and then I got some triple threads, is it called? So, that'll probably go up tomorrow around lunch, as long as I can have time to get it posted. Alright, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Go Browns, go Cavs, go Indians. They settled today, so they're going to be the damn Guardians. I'm going to have to accept it, I guess. Oh well. Shit happens. Alright, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Later. Have a good one.